Olcha. Welcome to my channel at Lora O'Brien on YouTube, and you can find more about me on loraobrien.ie or generally on the irishpaganschool.com where I teach some classes. And I just wanted to give you a little heads up in this video about an Ogham course, a free Ogham course that I'm putting together. So it is 3 truths about the Ogham from an Irish Draoi, by an Irish Draoi, which is me. Hi, how are you? And it's just like a little series of emails, like 4 or 5 emails, which will come out to you when you sign up, and you just watch this little video in some of them and resources and various bits and pieces. So there are 3 truths videos where I deliver them straight to your inbox. So if you're interested in that, you can join up down below. And just to give you a little bit of a heads up on what it is about, I mean, we're going to talk about the Celtic tree calendar and why that is not really a thing or not really a good thing. And we're going to talk about the importance of native source material, and we're going to talk about lost connections with the Ogham system and how to find those connections. So I just kind of spoiled the 3 truths, but if you want to know more on those topics, then please sign up at the link below, and you'll have to confirm your email, so make sure you do that. And it'll take you to the thank you page. Once you sign up, it'll take you to a thank you page, and you can watch your first video, your introduction video, straight away, which gives you a little bit about me and what the course is about and how it all works. And then you're going to get emails and bits and pieces to look at. And then there'll be 3 or 4 more days, I think, of emails. So you get a new video every day. So hopefully that is useful to you. And like I said, it's all free. So don't worry about it. And I just want people to be a little bit more educated about the truths of the Ogham as I see them. So there we go. And that is what is coming up. So do check that out. Check out loraobrien.ie for my mailing list and the Irish Pagan School. And subscribe on this channel for more